up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Philip20, and I'm back. Check it out. So, we got a new addition to the channel. We're going to be working with this project, making some different items, different things, blades and decorations, all kinds of different things, and you guys are going to come with me on the journey, see how you guys like it. We're going to get started. So, if you haven't noticed, this is a Big Blue 110 hammerhead. Basically what I've done with this is set it up. It's incredibly simple to set up. You run your air pipe to it that is 1/2 inch or better. You fill it with sand. These chambers inside, you've got 3 chambers that you fill up with sand. And you can adjust it, how fast it hammers, by adjusting the height of these actuators. They're vent valve actuators, so they actuate whenever that activates. It vents, it releases pressure through the system, and drops the hammer. While the top side is pressurized, the bottom side releases pressure, I think, to activate the hammer. lot easier with blue pliers. So the idea was to try to make a leaf, but it's obvious that I'm out of practice or never had it, hardly. But Big Blue can run on solar power. I'm running off a small compressor, and at the moment it's about 45 psi at Big Blue with 80 gallons of tank capacity. I got a smaller tank feeding a bigger tank with a smaller compressor feeding the big tank, so it can run off the solar array. And at the moment, I'm only limited on how fast it'll pump up. I've got the compressor off, so it reduces some of the noise. Obviously, not a lot of it, because the forge is loud. The Big Blue hammer, it's really loud. And I don't know how it's going to sound at the moment, but I look forward to seeing the video footage. So they was kind enough to supply me with some pliers, 4 sets. So they supplied this set, this set, this set, and this set. So I got 4 sets of pliers and 5 clip rings they gave me, which is fantastic, awesome. And you can buy these in the link in the description below. I can't believe I didn't know about these. These are so fantastic. It allows me to grip on the work. Never had those before, never seen them. I'm kind of new to forging myself. But we got a post leg vise, a small 55-pound anvil, and our 700-pound anvil plus the machine's weight and 110-pound hammer. This thing is, it's going to move some metal quickly. And I think my forge is good enough for the moment. I put additional bricks in there to try to insulate all the heat, keep it inside, and it looks great. It's doing great. And there'll be more videos to come. If you want to contact and get a Big Blue or even the pliers, they got round face hammers, flat face hammers, any kind of hammer you need for forging. They've got all kinds of chisels. Links in the description below. And also, these people was really fun to go pick up the equipment with. Now I did pay for this hammer myself. There's exactly what they told me was on the phone before, you know, any YouTube discussion was in. But they did hook us up with some additional equipment for our channel, and we're going to keep on making some more videos. I've got lots of stuff that's planned on this and lots of time to do it. This is Philip 20. Peace out.